Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and the other Mike. Yep, it's not Godzilla, but it's Mike. The other Mike, he's good. He's better. He's golden. And by the end of the week, he'll have a new truck. In any case, we're going on a service call right now. Kitchen faucet is dripping continuously, and he has to turn the valves underneath to get it working. Let's get him fixed and up and running. Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. I love these Delta faucets. They're so easy to fix. We got a couple springs, a couple washers, a little ball. I'll get in there. I have a, all right, let's hop in here. All right, that's for later today. Let's get into here. Let's see. My little box. My little fun box. Cooler. All right, cooler. Let's see. Nope, not this one. We could use those seats in there, but hold on. Let's see. Got the Nipix. Smooth jaw. All right, first we make sure the water is off. There and there. See, it stops dripping. We get an Allen key. Let's get that. Comes off just like that. All right, let's get our Nipix adjusted. I'm gonna get a little bit of water there, so. I wonder why Teflon? Oh, because the thing is bad.
The gasket.
All right, let's take those out. There's one. And there's the other. Get in there. Hold on. No, I had it the right way. It's an LK. Which way was this ball? Oh, it goes on the little thingy right there, which is right there. Okay. Put you vertical like that.
I think the damage should be, you just got the latch on the side. I think what was happening was it was pushing off the O-ring when I was pushing it in.
So let's get you in, line you up right there. You know, may need a little bit of lube. Yeah. Let's go get some lube. Always need a little lube. Throw some lube on that bad boy. Nice lube. Hopefully now it'll sit well. See, it bunches out right there. Oh, you got it. Very nice. See? It's not sticking out anywhere around. take the retaining nut. I'm sure it's called something. This is an old faucet with the side spray. All right, let's turn on the water. All right. And look, she's drip free. Just gonna put the handle on and test it. I'm gonna put a little extra on it. Nice. See? Like magic. All right, all fixed. It's all fixed. You know, it keeps reoccurring over and over again. You know, it's a Delta faucet, you know, it's good for life, but maybe next time we could replace it. You know, just less headaches, less aggravation. You know, but yeah, check it out. No drips.
No drips.
Try not to be that abrasive on it. Yeah, try to be more gentle on it. You know, thing's probably about 30 or 40 years old.
No, actually, that was a new one.
Was it?
Yeah, this was put in, it might be 10 years old, 10 to 15.
Okay.
I got to put in after, that's why it doesn't match. You know, this is the brushed finish.
Yeah, and that's the polished chrome.
Right, that's what he had.
Okay.
Put it in.
No problem. Have a wonderful day. So, quick little video to have with your morning coffee. Again, verify the customer's issue, see what's wrong, and again, with faucet repairs, you know, you can rebuild them from here to the end of the world, but at the end of the day, you know, cover yourself, protect your ass by saying, listen, if this keeps occurring, it's not a bad idea to replace the faucet. And granted, yes, you can keep rebuilding it, but when you spend the time, you know, on a recall and having to fix the drippy faucet again, it's like enough is enough, you know? So, just my 2 cents. You know, a good technician is observant of his surroundings, and we typically don't guarantee any faucet repairs at all. And it's written right on the invoices. We explain that, but as a courtesy, well, we take care of it for them.